Are you spending hours manually researching products for TikTok Shop, scrolling through videos, guessing what's trending, and still picking the wrong products? There's a smarter way. Let me show you TikProfitPro. This is the Products tab. TikProfitPro pulls real data from TikTok Shop and shows you exactly which products are trending right now. Every product has a trend face: hot, rising, watch, or pass. So you know at a glance whether to sell it or skip it. You can see the revenue, units sold, and growth rate, all in one place. No more guesswork. Now the Creators tab. Want to know which TikTok creators are actually driving sales in your niche? Here they are. You can see their follower count, engagement, and which products they're promoting. This is your shortlist for affiliate outreach. Ready to go. The Shops tab shows you your competitors. See which TikTok shops are dominating in revenue, what they're selling, and how fast they're growing. This is competitive intelligence that used to take days to gather. TikProfitPro gives it to you in seconds. Here's where it gets really interesting. Once you find a winning product, like this one, with an 88% virality score, $400,000 in sales in just 7 days, and 60 million video views, you don't need to go anywhere else. Just click. List product. TikProfitPro opens a full listing editor right here. The title, price, and product image are already filled in. Hit Auto-Generate with AI and watch it write a complete optimized product description for you in seconds. Then the profit calculator at the bottom shows you exactly what you'll earn after TikTok's referral fee, your supplier cost, and shipping. You see your net profit and margin before you even list the product. When you're ready, click Copy Full Listing and paste it straight into TikTok Seller Center. From product discovery to a ready-to-list product in under 2 minutes. And if you need to find a supplier first, no problem. TikProfitPro searches suppliers so you can compare prices and start selling fast. From trend discovery to supplier to listing, all in one tool. TikProfitPro is built for TikTok shop sellers in the US who want a real edge. Stop guessing. Start selling products you know will win. Get started today at TikProfitPro.shop. The link is in the